Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. Mana is pushing higher here in wave 5 of C of 3 at the moment, reacted to this micro support region that was communicated in the previous updates. And the next resistance levels on the chart are 88.4 cents and 128. It takes another 4-5 pattern here on the larger time frame to get a full 5-wave move up, best I can tell. This could be the C wave in a, let's say, bearish wave 2 corrective rally, which could lead to completely new lows afterwards. Or it could be actually the wave 1 of a larger bullish count, which we might, can we see that on the long-term chart? Let me just double check that, because we have a long-term chart for Mana. So yeah, so this could be, as I said, the wave 2 corrective rally, and we're dealing currently with an A, B, C structure. But as shown on the smaller time frame chart, this 5-wave move up, because it occurred from a new low, could also be the wave 1 of this larger degree wave 5, which means in the short term they both move alongside each other, these wave counts. They are aligned. And then once we have these 5 waves completed, if the next pullback is corrective, it could be a setup for higher prices in wave 5. But for now, because of this messy context, I prefer the interpretation of a wave 2 corrective rally. At the moment, I don't necessarily see new all-time highs, but I could see it maybe stretch out to the top of the resistance area or something. Important resistance for a wave 2 is at 185 and 314. Any break above 314 will make the white scenario, which again is more bearish, less likely. It will not invalidate it until the price breaks above the all-time high, which means in the short term, we just focus on the trend. The trend is clearly up. I provide support levels that help the trend go higher. And if it extends above standard resistance, fine, you know, then we can watch for that, and we can go with the trend and go with the flow. But at the moment, these are just labels. So what really matters is, do we hold support? So next, I would expect actually to hold at least one more pullback into this support area, which at the moment, let me just adjust it based on the latest high. These support levels will have to be moved until the 3rd wave is topped, because only then this 4th wave becomes active. And support at the moment is between 40.5 cents and 64 cents here on the larger time frame. Now back to the smaller time frame, we can be a bit more precise here. So yeah, 40.5 cents to 64.5 cents. In the very short term, this micro setup that I communicated in one of the last updates played out nicely. It's now important to understand that we're likely in the final stages of this circle 3 without any evidence that we've topped yet. What would we need as earliest indication that we have formed the top there? I would need, probably a break below the last swing low, 63 cents, far away from that now. Naturally, risk is high now. It always depends on how much micro you wanna see, you wanna track. You could even say that it's this swing low as an early warning at 75 cents, but that is not a significant swing low for me. It's more like this one here around 63 cents. But overall, yeah, we should still go higher. But now that this support area held and we've actually formed a new high, new support is 40.5 cents to 64.5 cents. Even though I have to say, if this 4th wave plays out, we should ideally land somewhere in the middle, around 46.5 to 54 cents. That's the update about Mana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.